Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to fix green bubbles by starting with the essentials and taking immediate action. First, open Settings Right Arrow Messages and make sure iMessage is toggled on. This connects your device to Apple's servers. Next, confirm you have working Wi-Fi or cellular data because iMessage needs internet. Without it, messages fall back to SMS. Also, check that your phone number and Apple ID are selected under Send, and receive so messages route through iMessage rather than as green SMS. Once the basics are set, move into reconnecting accounts and refreshing networks to force iMessage reactivation. Sign out of your Apple ID in Messages and then sign back in. This refreshes tokens and often resolves server registration issues. If connectivity still fails, reset network settings to clear bad caches. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Make sure carrier settings are updated and that SMS/MMS is enabled in cellular settings, because carrier misconfigurations can block. To finish, apply software fixes and verify external factors so your messages go blue. Update to the latest iOS and restart the phone to clear lingering bugs. If problems persist, confirm the recipient actually has iMessage enabled or an Apple device. Green can mean they aren't on iMessage. Contact your carrier to check for SMS blocks or APN issues. If nothing works, back up and restore the phone or contact Apple support. Troubleshooting tip: check Apple's system status for iMessage outages first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.